Now that you saw us come up with a cut condition for stainless steel, we're gonna move along and put in some aluminum. Come check it out. We're going to use the same cut condition that we did on the stainless steel. Has similar qualities and features. We should be pretty close. Okay, right there we can see that it was dancing up on top of the material. So that's gonna be speed or focal. So looking at this, I think I want to change the speed. And right now I'm at 300 inches a minute. This is what we were cutting the stainless steel at. Yes, it's a little bit thicker aluminum. So instead of changing a bunch of stuff all at the same time, I'm gonna just change this. I'm gonna drop it down to 200. So looking at this, it wasn't through, then it went through. So what that's telling me, at the speed that it's going here, it's not through, but when it slows down to make the transition here, it is going slow enough. So I think our speed is still a factor at this point. So with what was said on that part that we looked at, said the speed was a little bit still too high. So we dropped it down to about 150 inches a minute. That's all we changed, and now we'll give it another shot. So as you can see in here, when we slowed it down, we're not bouncing up on top. We cut all the way through the part. It looks good. There's still some more changes that we'll want to make to that before we consider that our perfect cut condition. So with that, I think our speed was good. It looked good. We left the nitrogen gas at 150 PSI. I just dropped the focal a little bit. Try to get that, the dross on the bottom side of the part gone. All right, let's see what this does. So this was good that it happened, okay? Because what this is telling us is that it's not our speed that's giving us a problem here, it's our focal. We went all the way past it, so our focal's either down too low or too high. So we'll make adjustments to clean that up. Obviously, we went past our negative focal point, so we want to bring it back down to where we're at. Speed was not a factor in that, it was 100% focal. So we brought it back down to 045. We'll get it fine-tuned. We made a few other adjustments that we will go over here in a minute. Let's see what this one does. An acceptable part, I figure, is something that rolls off. No secondary process would need to be done. Just flakes right off. So the changes that we made off camera were we dropped the speed down to 130 inches a minute for this part, and we changed our focal to a negative 0.125. That's what we came up with gas pressure at where it was to make a good, clean cut condition. It rolls off, it's perfectly good part. Hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions on any of our fiber laser line, give us a call or look us up online at lagunatools.com. Thank you.